promised, I'm back with this beast, the Apple MacBook Pro M4 Max, 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU and 16-core neural engine with 128 GB unified memory, which is huge, right? And along with that, we have 2 TB SSD storage so that it can accommodate all the AI models and video editing that I plan to do on it. So let's just dive right in. So there's this tax invoice which says 5.09 lakh in INR. That's what it costed me. Let's do it. Step 1 done. Alright. This one too. Alright, we are almost there. Let's flip it again. Now the final reveal. Alright, let's see what's there. What's here? So this is the MagSafe cable to charge the MacBook. It really looks premium. I like that it's braided. I like the color and texture as well. Now what's there? Okay. Welcome to MacBook Pro. It's just defining what's inside it. It talks about Touch ID, the Force Touch trackpad. It's also giving me details around Thunderbolt USB-C, headphone jack and MagSafe 3 charger. It's defining me some of the details about the OS itself, the menu bar, the camera, control center, Siri, system settings, dock, finder. And on the other side as well, there is HDMI port, Thunderbolt USB-C and SDXC card slot. Now we also have this adapter. It's huge and it's a 96 watt adapter. I also had an option to actually pick the lower one, but since there was no price difference, so I just picked the bigger one. Finally, the laptop itself. Let's spin this. It's really heavy. I mean, it said 4 kg. Now I'm actually assuming it's 4 kg of this. So I think this is the first time that I'm seeing in any MacBook that this MacBook Pro has been inscribed this way, and it really looks premium. So yeah, finally this is how it looks. This is the MacBook I've been waiting for so eagerly. Now let's open it up. Oh, wow, the satisfying sound. Hey, it says hello to me. Hello. The keyboard, it's really premium, and it does have the Touch ID, which I really like.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, it's getting eager to start the installation, but I think for installation we'll have to wait. So in the next episode, we will actually start working on this machine. I'll show you how to set up a brand new Mac, must-haves, the tools that you will need to make your machine dev ready. I will also share a trick that I use personally to install thousands of apps in one go, and this is something that I use all the time. And before installing anything, we will also discuss about the best practices, the security and privacy settings that everyone must know, so that if your machine actually lands into some wrong hands, or if you give it to a repair guy, your data is safe. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel, consider liking and sharing as well, so that I feel motivated to document my journey. And this is Naren signing off from GEEKNaren. See you on the next one.